Welcome back to another piece of intuitive art. Today's piece is a commissioned piece by a lovely lady, and it's called Rolling with the Punches. Now you may think, what an odd name for a piece of art. And in all honesty, yeah, it may be a little odd, but let's look at what rolling with the punches means. The term and the phrase comes from the ability to cope with and withstand adversity, especially by being flexible. Now, you may think like, well, still, how am I getting this? And it comes from the center of the piece, that big blue ball with a bright light. That's the portal of desires. Whenever I see a portal being painted within my art, because again, this is intuitive art, so I'm just flowing. I have no clue what I'm going to paint as I paint it, because I just follow the energy, and this is what it looks like. So that portal, or whenever I paint these, that portal is to represent the heart's desires. The desires of your being, the things you want to see, achieve. It's a very peaceful portal. It means that you've kind of gotten the things that you want. However, fear can taint our desires. It taints them by telling us lies like we can't achieve it, or I can be rejected, or failure is going to happen, all of these things, and it kind of makes us rigid, and we stop flowing and we stop moving. However, we do need to be flexible, and we can withstand this adversity, we can withstand this fear and conquer it and move forward. We just have to keep rolling with the punches.